Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 29th of November 2021. Taking a look at Litecoin here. Litecoin in a touchy spot. I mean, this overall looks like a very ugly bear flag, doesn't it? Maybe it does or doesn't to you, but to me it looks like one big ugly bear flag. And that this has been kind of extending since that bottom of it was established on July 21st, but really we probably couldn't call it a flag until the very end of September, beginning of October. So the breakdown level that's identified here previously, we actually have to slide this up a little bit. So there could be a very, very powerful short signal for Litecoin coming up. Very strong bearish continuation move. And that would occur when both the Ichimoku span or the lagging span and the current close, or we'll say current close, but when there's a close at or slightly below 167.17, that would position Litecoin into one of the most bearish trading conditions that it's been in since, back here, roughly. That would have been right at the beginning of June of 2021. So what happens if it comes down to that 167.42 zone? I think I said 17. 167.42. A number of things. So the ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout conditions are this. That future span A is below B, which it is. If it's not, then span A has to be sloping down while span B is flat or pointing down. But in this case, the ideal one is that span A is below B, which it is. So this is future span A. Then the current close needs to be below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen. It is. It needs to be below the cloud. It's not. And then the Ichimoku span needs to be below the candlesticks, the bodies of the candlesticks, and an open space. So that will occur. You know, all of those things will become true once it comes down to around 176.80. But once the lagging span has a clear break below the cloud and price is below the cloud, I mean, they'll both be below, both of them breaking below the cloud at the same time. That's a pretty bearish event. That could cause some very sustained selling pressure. The relative strength index on the daily chart, the oversold levels in a bull market are 50 and 40, and the RSI has been oscillating in between those levels ever since the 18th of November. It's really struggled to break back above 50, but it's been holding 40 and 50. The composite index, it's kind of shifted into neutral territory, and the percent B looks like it's coming up above the 0.2 level. So, as kind of ugly as it looks in the short term, okay, there could be a really strong bounce here pretty soon, especially when you consider that there was a Kumo twist, a very, very short Kumo twist that occurred here on the 26th, where Litecoin was trading at a swing low. So we could see a resumption higher. On the weekly chart, though, what does it tell us? The weekly chart does not look healthy. The only thing really supporting price here is the Ichimoku span, and it may bounce off the bodies of the candlestick. So it could come down to that 175.90 level. It would be a tough area to watch. You got to watch this very closely. These are not ideal trading conditions to be in because everything's very choppy, sloppy, and stuck. You have a lot of altcoins stuck inside the cloud, and you have some of the primary top market cap cryptocurrencies heading into the cloud or heading into really strong consolidation zones. So these are just some things to watch, observe, and be aware of. But we'll update it as needed. And hope you guys all had a great weekend. Hope you have a good start to this week. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.